Let's draw an owl. First, we will draw a wide U shape like this. Then a curved line down here. Same on the other side. Simple as that. Then an upside down droplet shape like this for its wing. Just do the same on the other side. Then we will do a wide U shape again to complete its body shape. Next, we will put details on its face. First is the nose. Just do an upside down droplet shape like this. Next is the eye. Just give your everything to make a huge round shape like this. Repeat on the other side. Yeah, it's just right. Then make a smaller round shape for its pupil. Do both sides. Then shade it to make it more realistic. Wow, it makes it more interesting. Yay! Now make a curved line like this for its feet. Same on the other side. I'm just gonna add some details. You can also add some more depend on how you've seen an owl. Almost done. But seems like this owl is floating. So I think I'm gonna put something to make him look like just resting somewhere. Aha! I'm gonna put a branch of tree like this. You can also put anything just to make the owl look like it's not floating. Adding some details to make it more look like a branch of tree. Wow, looks better now. Now let's write the word owl. Letter O. W. And letter L. Yay, we are done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.